Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro convertible. Starting off with our exterior, she has a beautiful white and orange stripe combination. Has the hideaway headlights, newer chrome style wheels to give it a different look. Not just your same old Torques or Kragers. Really makes the car pop. You got a nice white convertible top, power. As you can see down there, you have the power switch to put the top up and down. Moving on to the interior, you got the nice cluster there. The clock still works. Going down to the console there, you can see they added 3 aftermarket gauges, which are pretty at the normal riding temperature there. You got the RS style door panels, orange bucket seats, and the back seat's pretty good. Got the newer style wooden wheel there with an aftermarket tilt column. But as we're going up the road now, we'll let you have a little sound of it. And the reason it sounds good is not just because it's a Chevy or stripe piped, but it's got a fresh 396 under the hood with headers, aluminum heads, and underneath it even has the subframe connector. So if you really want to test your ability of power in this car, you can actually do it. But after that, let's give you a little bit of a brake test to show that this is still a safe vehicle. Pretty good there. And yeah, she's ready to drive. But as for now, we're going to get turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned, and we'll show you how fine it looks underneath as well.